everybody, my name is the Advertiser, and today I'm going to be showing you guys about my bird showcase. Now the first bird that we're going to be going on to is, this bird's name is Joseph. Say hello. Say hello. I forgot, it's only like 4 years old, so there's no one to talk. This one's name is Toby. Swinging on a swing. Pretty quick. Hey, Speedy. Hi, Toby. Say hi. None of them want to say hi to me today. Sorry about the mask, just so I don't want to reveal my identity. So yeah. This one's name is Lucky. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Good job, Lucky. This one's name is Pirate. This bird will kill you. It's a demon. It's a demon. It is a demon. Okay. Repeat that again, Lucky. Good one. Take the one. Let's go around with my baby birds over here. That's Kenny and Logan. That's Kenny, that's Logan. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys stay on my channel, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.